Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will try to find out the solution of quadratic equation by method of completing square. For this, we need two standard identities, that are a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus of 2ab plus b square. We will try to find out the solution of quadratic equation by method of completing square. For that, we will rearrange the given equation in the form of any of one standard identity. So, for the rearranging, we have to set the equation in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's understand with the help of one question. Now the question is 2x square minus 7 of x plus 3 equal to 0. Here we will make the coefficient of x square as 1. To make the coefficient of x square as 1, be able to complete the first term as in the form of square. So first we divide the equation by 2. We get x square minus 7 upon 2 of x plus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. This equation, by rearranging a minus b whole square, we will solve. So x square minus 2 into x into 7 upon 4. Here we have changed 7 upon 2 because 2 is not the factor of 7 upon 2. So we can take 2 factor in any of the number. Consider number is given 7. Then we can write this as 2 into 7 upon 2. And if this number is already given as 7 upon 2, then we can write 2 into 7 upon 4. Simply by multiplying and dividing by 2, we can take the one factor as 2 here. So we rearrange this x square minus 2x into 7 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4 whole square. Now this is rearranged a square minus 2ab plus b square. As we add 7 upon 4 square, we subtract the same 7 upon 4 whole square, and plus 3 upon 2 is still given already in this equation. Now this underlined portion become x minus 7 upon 4 whole square. This is the method to complete square. We will arrange the equation in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. For this, we make the first coefficient of x square as 1 by dividing the given coefficient of x square, and then we write a square minus 2ab. For this, we divide and multiply by 2 so that we get the factor of 2. Now this equation, by simplifying, we get 49 upon 16 plus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. Now we simplify this part of this equation. Then this becomes x minus 7 upon 4 whole square minus, we take the LCM of 16 and 2, the LCM of this is 16. So minus of 49 plus of 2 8 is 16, 8 3 is 24 equal to 0. Now we can write the equation x minus 7 upon 4 whole square minus of this simplified form of minus 49 plus 24 is minus of 25 upon 16 equal to 0. Now we transpose 16 upon 25 upon 16 to the right side. We write x minus 7 upon 4 whole square equal to 25 by 16. Now taking square root of both sides, we can write x minus 7 upon 4 equal to plus minus square root of 25 by 16. And then we write x minus 7 upon 4 equal to plus minus 5 upon 4. And then now by transposing 7 upon 4 to the right side, we get x minus 7 upon 4 equal to plus minus 5 by 4 and x equal to 7 upon 4 plus minus 5 by 4. By taking first positive sign and then negative sign, we can solve the equation x equal to 7 plus 5, 12 upon 4, that is 3. This is by taking positive sign, and x equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4, that is 2 upon 4, and this is of 1 upon 2. This by taking negative sign. So in this method we can rearrange the equation in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square we can solve. So any of the number, if 2 is not the factor, we can divide and multiply by 2 to get 2 as the factor of the given number. Thanks for watching.